Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do semolina or sooji appam. You can do this very quickly with less ingredients and it will taste so good. First let us prepare the dough. For the dough we need 1 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour. To this add the required amount of salt and 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. Crumble this nicely so that everything gets mixed well. Now let us start adding the water little by little and knead this into a soft dough. The dough is ready, it is soft now. Apply some ghee or oil so that you can avoid the dryness on the surface. Let this rest for a few minutes. By the time let us prepare the filling. Take a pan, add half a teaspoon of ghee or butter. To this add half a cup of Rava, that is sooji or semolina. Roast this until you get a nice aroma and by the time you can see the change in color. Now take a pan, add 3/4 cup of palm jaggery and half a cup of water. Let the jaggery dissolve completely. If you don't have palm jaggery, you can use regular jaggery or any other sugar substitute. Once it dissolved, filter and take it in another pan. To this add a cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a 1/4 cup of scraped coconut. Give a nice mix and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, you can add the roasted semolina. Start stirring this, it will become thick soon. Once it is thick, close this and cook in low flame for few minutes. It is almost cooked. Switch off the flame, close it and leave it for few minutes. Once it gets cooled down, it won't stick to the pan. So our filling is ready. Next we'll move on to the dough. The dough has become very soft. Let us knead this again for few minutes and divide this into small balls. Here I have divided the dough into 4 equal balls. Now take a banana leaf and grease it with oil. Place one small ball and roll it. This is a stuffing. Let us take a small quantity and roll it into a ball. Place this in the middle of the rolled dough and collect the dough and close it. We are not going to roll this again, instead we are going to use our hand to flat it. This is ready. Now take a pan, add enough oil for frying. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil for frying. Once the oil is hot enough, you can drop the appam gently into the oil and fry it until it is golden brown. You can see the nice golden brown color. We can take it out now. Our fried sooji appam is ready. Next let us use a dosa tawa and cook this. Pour a little oil on the tawa and spread it. Once the tawa is hot enough, place the appam and cook this in medium flame. This is also ready, we can take it out now. Do give this a try, it will be crispy, soft and will taste so good. This is the fried one and this is the tawa cooked one. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.